Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to take care of your feet. I don't normally do this kind of videos, but I was just feeling like it, so let's just jump straight into the video. So when I started, my feet were looking rough. I hadn't cut my nails in a while, and I began by trimming my nails. Don't feel bad if your nails are overgrown. I think that way it makes it much more easier for you to cut them and to get the required shape. I like to cut mine straight across and file them. That way I think that kind of shape is very flattering for the feet, and that's all I did for all my toes. So when I was done trimming my toes, I took my filer and just filed my feet straight still. I like the box shape for my feet. I also made sure to push my cuticles further behind, removing any dead skin that might be lying on top of there. This is very crucial. Kindly don't skip it. It will make your pedicure look a lot more neater. When I was done, I took a damp towel and wiped my feet. I then went in with my handy dandy shea butter to moisturize my feet. Applied that generously and then rubbed them in some cling film. I then threw some socks on and then went to my bed and decided to, be on the ground for a while. I sat there for about 10 to 15 minutes and then took the socks off, and I think my feet looked much more better than where we began. At this point, my feet felt very soft and moisturized, and then I went into the shower and used my African sponge to scrub my feet with some soap. I also used this stone. I think it's an African stone. I don't know what it's called. You're not African enough if you don't know what this is, or if you don't have one in your bathroom. I used that to scrub my heels and then stepped out and wiped my feet dry. So for my pedicure, I decided to use these colors. then went in with some nail polish remover to dehydrate my nails. That way my nail polish will last longer. I applied my best coat. I followed that up with my nail polish. I chose the color pink because I like to do pale colors on my feet, somewhere between pastel and white. And when I apply my nail polish, I try to go vertically and in single strokes. I don't know if that makes any sense. I also try to clean the edges as much as I can using my fingers. And because girl code tells me that I can't have one layer of nail polish, I let each coating dry for about 2 to 3 minutes and then went in with another layer. I then went in with my top coat, which is still some colorless varnish. Now, to be honest, if I was not filming this, I would not go in with this cotton because I like to just let the extra bits go away as I shower. But I took some nail polish remover and tried to clean the sides of my nails without exactly messing them up. And I didn't quite do the best work, but I think I got somewhere. Anything that I miss will go off while I shower, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.